BigQuery is Google's fully managed, petabyte-scale, low-cost analytics data warehouse. Let's see how to use BigQuery with C#. First, make sure the API is enabled in your project, a service account exists to make API calls, and proper access control is set up for BigQuery. All are explained in the code lab in the video notes. In Cloud Shell, let's create a simple .NET console app and add BigQuery API NuGet package to the project. Open the online code editor and navigate to program.cs. We will query a sample table called Shakespeare. It contains the number of times each word appears in each work of Shakespeare. Let's count the total number of each word. Reference to BigQuery library. Create a BigQuery client and get the table that we are interested in. Construct the SQL to count the words and execute the query. Finally, print the results. Let's run the app. There you go. You just use BigQuery with C#.